Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA. You live, you work, you play, DTLA. Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA, DTLA.
I'm Carmen Rodriguez. I'm from Fitchburg, Massachusetts, and I've been in Los Angeles a very long time. What happened is my family moved over here, left after one of the big earthquakes, the one in Montebello, and I stayed behind. And ever since, I've pretty much made Los Angeles my home. I at one point lived in Hollywood. At another point, I lived in Santa Monica. And thereafter, I found myself always coming to downtown Los Angeles. At the time, I had a friend who worked at LA Times, and there were some really many places to hang around. However, I started falling in love with the architecture, with the people that were here at the time, which weren't many, and with the idea of downtown growing and a renaissance taking place. And next thing you know, I moved to downtown Los Angeles. The way that I choose what I share on the internet is I always think positive. I always like to share the positive notes of downtown Los Angeles. I love people. I love bringing people together, and especially if it's for a good cause, whether it's for an event, whether it's for a fundraiser, whether it's for even maybe a fun clothing drive. And it's what I love to do. I'm a people person. I'm out there, and I like to get people involved. I think I have a certain light because I'm so open. I'm honest, and I'm upfront. I'm not afraid of opinions. I'm not afraid of judgment. I just throw out there the truth. I throw out there what it is, and that's how I communicate with the downtowners and all my fans on Facebook. And I believe they like that honesty. When people friend me, what I like to know is, where are they from? Why are they friending me? What stories attracted them to my page? And what future stories or information I can attract or give them so that they'll be interested in also coming to downtown Los Angeles. I would like to be their resource. I would love for them to come and visit downtown Los Angeles, whether it's local or international. But in order for me to be able to feed them more of me and the stories, I really like to know more of what their wants are. Is DTLA today going to be interactive? Absolutely. We want to get the response from the audience. We want to know what the downtowners need. We want to know what the tourists need. The tourist is a $2 billion industry. The downtowners, we're so strong. 61,000 of us live here. We want to know, should we go on 6th Street on 50 days? They're filming. Is there a marathon? Is there a demonstration? What's going on? Did something just happen? DTLA Today will tell them what's going on today and now. I do business consulting. I produce events. I work one-on-one, and I'm very involved with the community. They know me, and it's been an amazing journey. And in that journey, I've been wanting to do a show like DTLA Today, and that's why I'm here sitting with you. I am very, absolutely happy about this project, and I'm absolutely happy that finally there's going to be a resource for the downtown Los Angeles community, as well as the world, of what is happening in downtown the day of.
Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA. You live, you work, you play, DTLA. Downtown Los Angeles, DTLA, DTLA, DTLA. Today.